Hey guys, what's up? It's Rob here with Are We Living Yet? And we are at the new property. Holy crap, it's gonna thunder. We've had this pond on the property here, which I gotta rip that dock down. But anyway, when we moved in, man, the yellow flies were ridiculous this year. And I don't know if you guys know much about yellow flies, but those things will tear you up. So, looked online. Actually, I called the pest control company to see if they had anything, any recommendations, spray or so forth. They really said it's just they got to run their course, but meanwhile we're getting bit up here on the new property. So I checked around online and I found this guy. It's a black sticky ball, and all it is just an inflatable ball. I guess you can make it if you got time. You can take a beach balloon. It's just got to be lightweight so it swings like it does, like you can see it swinging right now. I guess the yellow flies are attracted to moving black objects. So if you're wearing a black shirt or dark clothing and you're walking around, they're going to be all over you. And there's a product called Tangle Foot, which is a sticky substance that you put on. You just mop it on the ball all over the place, and it stays through the rain. It doesn't wash off, so it's pretty safe. It doesn't get in the groundwater because we have a well, so I was really worried about spraying stuff on the ground near the pond here. But as you can see, this thing is covered with yellow flies, and it's been out for a couple weeks. It's working awesome. I mean, they're still around, but not nearly as bad as they were. And granted, it's getting a little closer to the end of the season, but I'm going to put a link in the description below here for this guy. If you're dealing with black flies or horse flies or yellow flies, this is a pretty awesome little invention here. So just want to pass it along and share it with you guys, and hopefully you don't get bit up like we did. Catch us on the next video, guys. Bye.